Okay, now that we're storing our videos to a collection, let's go ahead and store our playlists. So just like with videos, we're going to create a toDict method for playlist objects. And let's go ahead and get started. So in playlist, we have name, videos, thumbnail, description. So these are all the properties that we need to specify in the dictionary. And most of these are straightforward except for this videos, which is a list of video objects. And once again, we can't store a Python object in MongoDB, so we're going to have to convert the individual videos in the playlist to something that we can store. So let's go ahead and define a regular method called toDict. And it's just going to return a dictionary. So the ID is going to be self.getKey. And then name is self._name. And then videos will come back to. So we'll do thumbnail is self.thumbnail. And description is self._description. And then the only thing that's left is videos. So for videos, what we actually want to do is we don't want to store an entire dictionary. So we could just say something like this: list comprehension video.toDict for video in self.videos. So we could do something like that, which is going to take each video in the list of videos and then convert it to a dictionary. Then we have a list of dictionaries, and we store that along with the playlist document. But if we do that, these things are going to have a lot of duplication because a video can be in multiple playlists. And most of them are going to be in at least 2 playlists because everything is in all videos, and most other videos are going to be in at least one other playlist. So this will at least double the storage. But more importantly, when you have multiple copies of the same data in a database, you have a lot of potential to change one copy without changing all of the copies, which results in multiple redundant, slightly different versions of the same data with inconsistencies, which is very bad. So what we want to do instead of storing all of the data is just store the key. And then when we read this thing back in and convert it back into a playlist object, we can go through the list of keys and use them to look up the matching video objects so that we only have one copy of each object. So instead of video.toDict, we're going to do video.getKey for video and self._videos. Now, in the database code for our rebuild method, that's going to be pretty straightforward. So we have all playlists. And so what we're going to do is playlist dicts is playlist.toDict for playlist in all playlists. Right. So that's going to give us a list of dictionaries, and then the videos property in the dictionary will be a list of video keys. And then to actually store them, we're going to do cls.playlists collection insert many playlist dicts. And that should be it. So let's put a blank line here. And then let's run it and see what we end up with. Okay, so we have a syntax error here because I'm missing a comma on the previous line. Okay, so it ran with no error, so let's go ahead and take a look at what we ended up with. And we're going to browse collections, So here's my playlists. So I have 3 playlists. The first one is Bruce Springsteen. It's got the thumbnail, it's got the description, and then videos is an array of 2 videos. And for each one it has the key. So this one is a regular music video, and this one is a performance video. So that's correct. And then this playlist is Patti Smith, and it just has 1 video in it. And then the last one is all videos, and that has all 4 of my videos. Right, and so this one's a performance video. Great. So that's actually everything you need from the progress check.